What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival, a real special one, 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This one is mean. Listen to that big block Chevy. I believe it's a 468. Single plane intake. This car does not mess around at all. MSD ignition, disc brakes, and it has vintage air. Take a listen to this. I'm just gonna put the camera by the exhaust for a second. Just take a listen. This thing is mean. As you can see, it has radiused wheel wells. The tires are giant. It's got a roll cage in it. More of a roll bar, actually, but you got a roll bar. It's tubbed. Look at how big those rear tires are. I believe it's 9-inch rear end. 4-link. This thing is a radical street car. That's exactly what this thing is. It performs great, has tons of power, and you could still drive it on the street. I mean, just listen to the thing. Alpine stereo. There's your vintage air controls. B&M shifter. Here's a book of photos on the car. Tons of photos there. You got your tack here. Temp gauge there. They tried to retain the factory interior as much as possible. As you can see, it's still got the factory console, buckets. But they had to add a little reinforcement for a car like this. Close that door all the way. I mean, just take a look at it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lower the hood so you can see this car in all of its glory. But just take a look at that engine. Just a real mean engine. This car is the definition of mean. Like I said, radical street car. You could drive just about anywhere with the thing, but this thing is a little bit on the race car side. You got your roll cage. You got the fat tires in the back. This is basically a pro street car. Really, really nice. It was done really nicely. Retains a stock appearing hood. So whoever did this car, they took their time and they put their effort in here. Just a great example of a Pro Street 66 Chevelle. I'll go ahead and open the trunk for you guys before we wrap this up. All carpeted. Fuel cell. Really, really cool. The trunk closes nicely and opens really nicely. I mean, it's impressive. If you are interested in this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Crow Street, radical street car, you could visit mgmclassiccars.com. Call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock. This is one of them, located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing for these classic cars at great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States directly to your garage door, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. Keep checking the website, YouTube channel, everything else, all the social media platforms for new inventory. We get new cars in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys here at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Because remember, the car looks great here. It'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.